Well, I'll tell you what made me mad yesterday was I stood in front of the mirror and I wanted to check my lovely hair, and I couldn't see myself. So look, it was a bit like this. So I had my mirror here and I stood over here like this. So I'm standing looking at the lovely mirror over here, and I couldn't see myself. And the reason I couldn't see myself was because I was kind of looking over there. And of course, a mirror reflects things over here. I mean, it made me mad. All I could see was an apple. I didn't want to see an apple. I wanted to see myself. And then I realized that in order to see myself, somebody should tell me how to use a mirror. Well, it's obvious, isn't it, if you think about it? So I then stood in a different place. I took the mirror like that, and makes me mad. The mirror's turned red. Goodness sake. Actually, it makes me seethe. And I have turned blue, but I've turned blue for a reason. Because, no, it's not because it's very cold. It's because I want to look straight at the mirror. And if I look straight at the mirror like that, then the beautiful image of me will come straight back to me. And that's really important for reflecting shapes. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Okay. I am not going to give you a mirror. And I'll tell you why. Because you spend your whole time just doing your hair and checking your nose and making sure you got two ears. So you're not having a mirror. This time you're going to do it on the grid. Okay. Let's do it. So I'm going to start by drawing a triangle, and it's going to have a coordinate at 4, 2. Remember that a coordinate at 4, 2 means that you look, if you really want to, you look along the stairs first, and then you look up the, no, you don't. You look along the corridor, and then you look up the stairs. So what I would like you to think about is X and Y. You do the X coordinate, which in this case is 4, because it's here, and the Y coordinate, which in this case is 2, because it's here. So this is 4, 2. And I'm gonna carry on and draw a triangle, which looks a little bit like this. No, it doesn't. I tell you. This thing will drive me nuts. Okay. Nice line, not bad. Ah, stop it. New line. Yes, I want a new line. Of course I do. Well, I've drawn it upside down. Is that a problem? Not really. Just look at the coordinates. It's important. So we've got 4, 2 here. And we've got 6, 7 here. Okay, along the corridor first, then up the stairs. Walk before you can fly, if you prefer that one. And then this one is 2, 7. And then we are going to reflect it. So we've got to imagine that we're looking in a mirror. Okay? And the way we do this is that we take each of these points. So here's the point 4, 2. And we go to the mirror. We're reflecting it in the x-axis. We go to the mirror and we go straight, just as I had to go straight to the mirror here. Okay, so we go straight, and in this case we're going 2 squares down. We go straight, and then we go the same distance the other side. And if we're not in a bad mood like I am, we mark the new point there. And we do the same here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, I can count up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to mark it down there in the same beautiful shade of blue. And it's going to be -7. So it's 6 minus 7. And this one, this one here, same deal. We're going to go down 7, and then we're going to go down another 7. And I recommend that you always, no, I'm telling you, I would seethe and be extremely angry if you didn't do this. You always do it point by point. Okay, and then we can join the dots like you did when you were 3. And not that. We can join the dots like you did when you were 3. And we have got a reflection of our triangle. So what has happened is that we've kind of flipped it over. So it's flipped over, and this point here has come down here. This point here has come down here, and this point here has come down here. And that's good. And we're going to do one more flip as well. So we've flipped it in the x-axis. Now we're going to flip it, the original one, in the y-axis. And it's the same process. Do you hate it when people say process? I can't stand it. All right. So we're going to go corner by corner, just like I told you before. We're going to take this corner across 2 and across 2. So it will be there. I haven't done that well. This corner, we're going to go across 6 and across 6. That takes us to -6 over there. And this corner, we are going to go, wait for it, across 2. No, we're not. We're going to go across 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can already see that we are going to have a beautiful black triangle down here. And that is how you do it. And don't forget that this is called reflection. Reflection also means thinking about things. So think about your reflection. Reflect on your reflection. Enjoy. Bye.